Introducing the AmbiTech 3-in-1 Steam Inhaler. The steam inhaler is made up of a plastic body which is shock-free and light. It measures 6 by 4 by 4 centimeters and it has a 105 centimeter long cord and weighs 380 grams. Make sure not to use RO or filtered water as it will stop the steam generation process. Use tap water only. The inhaler comes with 3 attachments: a nasal steamer, a facial sauna, and a vaporizer that can be used in different ways according to your needs. Steam inhaler helps provide relief from cold and cough. It can be used to open clogged sinuses and the nasal passage and also provides relief from bronchitis. It can also be used as a facial sauna since it helps clear the clogs and open the facial pores for a thorough face cleanup.